So how has Asante, changed your life?
Well, to start my story off real quick, I went to the doctor for precancerous moles, actually, and my dermatologist started pointing out things on my body, saying that I had high cholesterol, wanted to do blood work just from looking at me. So I knew that that had to be a sign that I was really in bad health. So anyway, we did the blood work, and I was so upset. They wanted to put me on multiple medications. I was already on medication for anxiety, depression, and sleeping. I had the beginning stages of fibromyalgia, which my mom does have, and just constantly aches and pains. Couldn't sleep at night or anything. So I put on Facebook basically that I just wanted to go organic and I wanted to try a more holistic approach to things. And mutual friend of Victoria and I, Heather, actually tagged me and said to get in touch with Victoria. So she introduced me to different things, not even trying to really get me into Asante at first. She just wanted to give me an overview of how I could become more healthy. So after about a week or so, I decided that I did want to join Asante. I've been doing the shake and then also the greens, the reds, and the B tabs. And I found that I have more energy. I feel better. I'm off of all of my medications. My pain is not as severe. I still have a little muscle pain in my back every now and then, but I have a very, very high stress job, so I know that plays a big part in it. I was one that took ibuprofen for a headache at least 3 times a day. I can tell you I have not had to take headache medicine in at least 3.5 weeks now. I've used essential oils and I'm feeling better, and a good plus on top of everything is that I've lost 24 pounds. Monday made a month and I'm down 24 pounds. So that's really exciting to me. I've tried so many products, GNC, weight loss doctors, everything, and I have not had any success. So I am so thrilled to have Asante in my life now.
So would it be okay if I showed your weight loss pictures right now on the screen for everyone to see?
That's fine with me.
While we're looking at her before and after pictures, I just want to add that what's really cool about Lacey is not only does she have this weight loss and she's off all of her medications, but I mean, you can just really see the joy and the passion that she's just all of a sudden, grown into. And since she found Asante, her skin is just beautiful and she's just great. Like, I'm so happy for you.
Here are her before and after pictures, which she looks incredible. So thank you so much for sharing that, Lacey.